Kublai pi baro ki viewers sin bat hagani ke video ngan man raj pi hagbai di ban khobor like kam isngam manta ngan pulai shapi hagbai di bat kani ke khobor like kam hagba nagleng jonga Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society lane MSRLS record online application nagbenta ke post cluster coordinator in general lane CC general post nagbenta ka office ka bahap hapo ka block mission management unit lane BMMU but ki candidate ki la ban submit ya ki application ki jong ki lengba ka online mode kata lengba ka official website jong ka Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society kata ka bade http://msrls.nic.in/ but lada pikwa lane yegitu ki candidates ki bakwa ban apply nak benta kite ki post so bhaba pinlek nangba ka description box ki jonga but kan sebu ya kan ka link hapo ka description box but pisala ban apply nangba kan ka direct lane ka official link jong ka MSRLS but kumjuru katarik ke bakhadu ba phila ban submit ya ki online application ki jongphi kande hadu ka san baje janmit kata hadu ka arpsan tarik ku Oktober arjar arpsau ye kumta nagliang jonga ngakerpat shophi ki viewers kamtame ki candidates ki bakwa ban apply nak benta kini ka post ngum haban shim ya kani kalat kabu namar kadon sokumba arlani laisngi hadin bangala deban peni ya kani ka khobor je leitno nak benta bapin apply ya gitu ki post lengba kati ka website ka bangala bu hapo ka description box ke jonga but lada pidon ni ke bapin sutu lanin pinang kumno ban apply nang ta kati ka post jong ya CC general subha bapin bu ya ki comments ki jong pi but ngan sabatai pi kumno bapin le lani bapin online ya ke post lengba ka online mode jong ka official website Tekindiat kumban pengen mau haba nagliang jong ka office jong ka Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood kala pentip syabaro ki applicants ki bakwa ban apply nang beta ketiga post ki loong ba kino ki candidates ki hab ban late sa syaki remote area kata rural remote area lane kinong kendong dagi singi lane singi ar singi simit armit but pihak ru ban le ya kata te lada phila ban le ya kata lane phila ban le chiginong kendong ban submit te phila ban apply na ka benta kete post handai lada don ki candidates ki bom la ban le chiginong kendong ban le submit te subha perkhat arsin na ka benta ban apply ya kete post henry nagliang jong ka office hi ka ong ba ki kham perkhat ya ki local candidates lane ki candidates ki bade na kite hi ki block lane na benta kite hi ka district te ale hangne ngan pen sngo shpi ha ka bade bat kite ka place of posting kata ka bade jong ki khasi ka bhap apo ka block mission management unit ane BMMU name of the post kade ka cluster coordinator in general region kata kadon two region lane atliki region khasi and in garo so for the unit kandon hangni ka unit bhoirambong lumshnong maukan ro mairang namdong rambrai rimuliang saipung and shalang ini kadi hapo ri khasi te nagbenta ki name of post hapo garo you will listen it carefully your unit is in adogre batabari betasing chokpot damalgre kharkuta parakhasia siju songsak and trikikila number of the post hapo khasi kadon hadu arpnyu tlik post but hagaru kadon arplay tlik post but nagbenta ka salary hangni kan day fix 26hajar shibnai. The latter part ya ki candidate, especially the candidates from garo regions, please fill up your application forms before the end date. But shishu mentang ini page nak benca qualification ke bapila ban apply nak benca ketika pus CC lane cluster jongka block mission management unit. Kindai gitu ki applicants lane ki candidates ki bela pendep ya ke degree and above. Ka age limit hang ni ki candidates ki la ban apply hadu lipo snem. Kata kebumut nadu khat pras nem hadu lipo snem pila ban apply for the post of block mission management unit, that is the CC cluster. And also we have 5 years relaxation for SC/ST, and we also have the experience minimum of 1 year working experience in working with the poor in the areas of social mobilization, institution buildings, and capacity buildings. And we have individuals having experience in training rural masses, computer skills with emphasis on MS Office, Google Sheet, etc. Thì kin jiru kamtam ya ki candidates ki bla don experience kumno bepintre ha ki kampai ba lane ki kamtam shaki rural areas. Thì ban kan mau biang epi sa chisin na kebenca ka skill pay lane ka salary. It is only 26,000 fixed per month. Shushuru nalor kite ki criteria ki bangal ada ban pensung shupi. Te hangne nagliang jongka office ka donru ki eligibility criteria for various posts under the MSRLS kata nakabenta ki list of document to be uploaded along with the online application ki don katok ni ki i documents ki ba piham ban upload hapo ka online application kan longkom ni nakabenta ka number 1 kan di ka passport size photograph pihak bandon ka passport size photograph in hand, and also your signature you have to upload on your online application. Self-attested copies of document certificate are required to be submitted in support of following, that is the date of birth, address proof, certificate for the highest educational qualification only, caste or tribe certificate, a one of these, disability certificate for the disability person, working experience certificate only, internship certificate not allowed. And number G, we also have the curriculum vitae. So nakabanta ki candidates subhaban pendiang ya kini ki documents ha ka porba phile ya ka online application. Ti kendang don shishu kini ki criteria lada phidang kwa ban tip company nga EAP ba phile ya kata nakabanta kete ka jing sutu ka ba bania ka jungpi ba phin pule ya kete ki criteria da ka ba phi download ya ka notification na ka link ka ba ngalabu hapo ka description box. Ti lada phidang don ban kali subha ban bu ya ki jingkali ki jongphi bat kumjuru nga kentu kon pham ya phi subha ban page ya ka ni ka video na do ka basdang do banakut kanang ba pin thu ka ka kam bat ka pus you bat hae andre ban shukli klumar bat ban kali klem jengmut kanum yarap yapi te subha ban pe namba sedang duk benakut bat kumjuru ban pule ya kine ki instruction lane ki criteria ki banagal yang jongka office jongka MSRLS kala penmi syabaro ki candidates te ya ka bamenta ngani sahapi bapin pendep ya kane te subha ban shim ya kane kalat ka kabu khamtam e kito ki candidates ki bla pendep ya kati ka qualification te takatahi hakbede bat kane khubor te subha sai sinpan ya ki parlok ki badang thamai bapin ya share like but subscribe nak benta ki khubor employment news ki banangwan nang ne shakhmat tangkatahi khublei shibon.